Hello everyone, and welcome back to Greats of Bharat, where we honor the extraordinary individuals who have shaped India's legacy. Today, we are exploring the incredible life and achievements of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, a name etched in the hearts of millions. He was born on December 25, 1924, in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Vajpayee was raised in a family rooted in simplicity. His father, a school teacher, instilled in him a love for learning and a strong moral compass. Young Atal excelled in academics and showed a flair for debate and writing, setting the foundation for his remarkable oratory skills. Atal Bihari Vajpayee pursued studies in political science and law but found his true calling in public service. He also developed a deep passion for poetry, crafting verses that reflected his love for India and his philosophical outlook on life. His journey into politics began with the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS). As a founding member of the Bharatiya Jana Sangh, Vajpayee became the voice of millions. Elected to Parliament for the first time in 1957, his speeches stood out for their clarity, wit, and emotional resonance, earning him respect across party lines. Pandit Nehru once predicted that Atal would become India's Prime Minister someday, a prophecy that came true not once, but thrice. His leadership was marked by vision, bold decisions, and the ability to unify diverse voices. During his tenure as Prime Minister, from 1998 to 2004, Vajpayee led India through pivotal moments. The Pokhran II nuclear tests showcased India's strength on the global stage. The Golden Quadrilateral Highway project transformed infrastructure, connecting cities and boosting economic growth. Under his leadership, India embraced economic reforms that laid the groundwork for the country's future. Vajpayee was not just a leader of action but also of reconciliation. His Lahore bus diplomacy was a bold step toward peace with Pakistan. Yet, when the Kargil war tested the nation, he stood firm, leading India to victory with dignity and resolve. Beyond politics, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was a poet and thinker. His verses touched hearts, capturing the essence of humanity, patriotism, and hope. Through poetry, he connected with the soul of the nation. In his later years, Vajpayee stepped away from the limelight but remained a guiding force. Honored with the Bharat Ratna in 2015, his legacy is one of integrity, wisdom, and an unwavering love for India. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's life reminds us that leadership is about service, vision, and courage. He was a true Greats of Bharat, a leader who dreamed of a stronger, united, and prosperous India, and worked tirelessly to make it a reality. His legacy lives on in the hearts of every Indian. His life was a journey of dedication, resilience, and an unshakable commitment to the progress of India. If his story moved you, like this video, share it, and subscribe to Greats of Bharat for more stories of remarkable Indians who shaped history.